Good morning to all of you. Today we see Pythagoras theorem. So, in a right angled triangle, the square of the side's length of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. So, this one is given by Pythagoras mathematician. So, this one is also called as Boudhaian theorem. Boudhaian is our Indian mathematician. He said that in a rectangle, the diagonal taken, the square of the diagonal is equal to the sum of the squares of its sides lengths to half. That is nothing but simply the triangle to base and height. That means this Boudhaian set 1 and Pythagoras both were set 1 is same. Okay, now we have to see the proof. Okay, so before that one, if we draw the triangle, so A, B, C, a triangle, and the triangle to at B 90 degrees there. So that is given. In triangle ABC, angle B equal to 90 degrees. Now we have to prove that RTP. So that RTP is the square of the length of hypotenuse. So in right angle triangle, right angle to opposite one only hypotenuse. So AC square equal to, now it is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So that is nothing but AB square plus BC square, the remaining two sides. So for solving this purpose, we have to do one construction. That construction is from B, draw a perpendicular to AC side. So draw BD perpendicular to AC. Okay, now we see the proof. So for proving this one, we have to once recall similar triangle principle. So in similar triangle, what happened? If two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides ratio same and the corresponding angles are equal. So now we use this formula and solving. So now in this triangle, if I taken triangle ABC and triangle ADB. So these two triangles to observe, angle A is the common angle for the two triangles, and angle ABC equal to angle ADB equal to 90 degrees. So by AA similarity, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADB. So these two triangles are similar, so their corresponding sides ratio is same. So AB by AD equal to BC by DB, that equal to AC by AD. D. AC by AB, not AD. Okay. So now here, if I taken the first ratio and the last ratio, that is AB by AD equal to AC by AB. By that cross multiplication, AB into AB, that is nothing but AB square equal to AC into AD. Okay, this one be taken as first equation. Now if we apply the similar triangle rule in triangle ABC and triangle BDC. Now in these two triangles, angle C is the common angle, and angle ABC and angle BDC are 90 degrees. So they are 90 degrees. By AA similarity, triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDC. So now these two triangles are similar. So the corresponding sides ratio is same. So AB by BD equal to BC by DC equal to AC by BC. Now if we taken the second ratio and the third ratio, that is BC by DC equal to AC by BC. By that cross multiplication, BC into BC, that is nothing but BC square, that equal to AC into DC. Now this will be taking as second equation. Now if we observe this AB square BC square, that is nothing but AB BC. So AB BC are the sides of the triangle. Now these sides, squares of sum of the sides, that is only here the word given, sum of the squares. So that purpose equation 1 and equation 2 adding. So adding equations 1 and 2, AB square plus BC square, that equal to AC into AD plus AC into DC, AC into DC. Now here both in this observed means AC is the common one. So that AC common side taken means now the remaining one, first one is AD, second one is DC. So here AC into the sum of the sides of AD plus DC. So AD plus DC means that is nothing but total side AC. So AC into AC, that is equal to AC square. So AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. That is only ours RTP. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So sum of the squares of their sides is equal to square of the hypotenuse. Now we see converse of Pythagoras theorem. In a triangle, if the square of the length of one side is equal to the sum of the squares of the lengths of other two sides, the angle opposite to the first side is right angle and the triangle is right angled triangle, and the triangle is right angled triangle. So for proving, now we taking a triangle A B C, a triangle we taken. So the given is in triangle ABC, the square of length of one side. So I am taking AC, square, side square, equal to the squares of the lengths of other two sides sum. So the remaining two sides are AB, BC. So sum of the squares of these two sides, AB square plus BC square. Okay, now the RTP. So here we have to show that the angle opposite to the first side is right angle. That means the first side AC taken, that AC to opposite angle is B. So angle B equal to 90 degrees we have to show. So that showing purpose we have to do one construction. So that construction is, we have to draw a triangle. So we drawing a triangle, that triangle how like means how much AB, that much length side taking, how much BC, that much length side taking and joining, and these two sides joining with 90 degrees. The triangle will be taking as PQR, a triangle taking. Now in that PQR triangle, how we drawn? AB equal to PQ. So draw triangle PQR with PQ equal to AB and QR equal to BC and angle Q equal to 90 degrees. So here we drawn a right triangle PQR. Now we see the proof. Now we know that triangle PQR is a right angled triangle. So right angled triangle, so by Pythagoras theorem, triangle PQR is a right triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem, we can write PR square equal to PQ square plus QR square. Why? Because hypotenuse square equal to sum of the squares of remaining two sides, that is PQ square plus QR square. So now PR square equal to, now in this PQ and QR we can write AB and BC by construction. So that is nothing but AB square plus BC square. Okay, but by that given, we know that AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Now if we observe these two equations, RHS AB square plus BC square is same. That purpose the LHS PR square and AC square is also equal. So by equations 1 and 2, PR square equal to AC square. So now square root on both sides, PR is nothing but AC. PR side length is equal to AC side length. Now if we compare triangle ABC and triangle PQR, in triangle ABC triangle PQR, Now AB side length is equal to PQ and BC side length equal to QR and AC side length equal to PR. Now by that proof. Okay, so now here observe three sides lengths are equal. So by triple S similarity, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Otherwise we can apply congruence rule also, they are similar. So two triangles are similar, so their corresponding angles lengths are equal. That means now angle B length is equal to angle Q, that equal to 90 degrees. Why? Because already we taken angle Q is 90 degrees. So we can assume angle B equal to 90 degrees. So in a triangle one angle is 90 degrees means that is nothing but right angle triangle. That is only our proof. So triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. Okay, a problem is given as in triangle ACB, angle C equal to 90 degrees and CD perpendicular to AB. Then prove that BC square by AC square equal to BD by AD. So now if we draw a triangle ACB with 90 degrees A, C, B and CD perpendicular to AB. Now from C I am drawing a perpendicular line. So CD perpendicular to AB. Now here we have to show BC square by AC square equal to BD by AD. So BD is the length of the side of triangle BCD and AD is the length of the side of triangle ADC. So now these two triangles to areas finding. So given in triangle ACB angle C equal to 90 degrees, CD perpendicular to AB and now area of triangle BDC by area of triangle ADC. Now that were equal to. So area of a triangle is right angle to taken means that is nothing but half into base into height. So half into the base, BDC triangle to the base is BD and its height is CD. Now ADC triangle to the base is AD and its height CD. So half of same cancel and CD side length cancel, that means remained one is BD by AD. Okay, next if we observe triangle BDC, triangle ADC. Now in these two triangles angle D is the common angle, angle D is common angle, that is 90 degrees and AD CD is the common side, CD is the common side. So now these two triangles are similar, these two triangles are similar, so their corresponding sides ratio is same. So these two triangles are similar, that purpose directly I am taking. So what happened if two triangles are similar, then the area of the triangles ratios is equal to the squares of their corresponding sides ratio. Already we learnt the theorem. So by the theorem, now if we can apply area of triangle BDC by area of triangle ADC equal to, simply I am taking BC square by AC square, that side length only taking BC square by AC square. Now if we observe equation 1 and equation 2, LHS is area of triangle BDC by area of triangle ADC. That purpose RHS BD by AD and BC square by AC square are equal. So from equations 1 and 2, BD by AD equal to BC square by AC square. Okay. Now a given problem. A ladder 25 meters long reaches a window of building 20 meters above the ground. Determine the distance from the foot of the ladder to the building. So now first we drawing the triangle for the given problem. So a ladder is 25 meters long, reaches the building 20 meters. So the building is 20 meters height there, and it is the base to perpendicular only there, and the ladder is 25 meters height. Now we have to find the distance from the foot of the ladder and building. So this is the foot of the ladder and building distance we want to find. Okay, so now the given information writing, given height of the building AB equal to 20 meters, height of the ladder AC equal to 25 meters. Now if we observe ABC is a right angled triangle. Triangle ABC is a right triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem we can apply. Now AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Now the AC is nothing but hypotenuse, that is 25. So 25 square equal to the side length AB is 20 square and the remaining side BC square. 25 square equal to 625. 20 square equal to 400 plus BC square. Now plus 400 transferred to this side, minus 400. 625 minus 400 equal to BC square. 625 to 400 subtract, that is 225. So 225 equal to BC square. So BC equal to square root of 225 is nothing but 15. So the distance from the foot of the ladder to the building is 15 meters. Therefore distance from foot of the ladder to the building equal to 15 meters.